Hello, guys. I trust you're doing well today. Well, today is another beautiful day, and I've come to share with you information that will help you to achieve your migration dream. And today we're going to be talking about Finland. Finland is one of the Scandinavia countries and one of the beautiful places in the world where you may want to consider. I mean, if you want to move to Europe, Finland is one of the places you can give a consideration. Well, I'm going to be talking about vocational training in Finland. And all this vocational training in Finland are free of cost. And again, the application fee also is free. The only thing you will be needing is to pay for your flight and to feed yourself. Of course, you're going to have opportunity also to work some hours in a week. Okay, this program is going to last up to a year and some maybe a little more than a year, but I think most of them are all 1 year schedule. So, guys, I'm gonna be telling you about how you can apply for this program. I'm gonna be telling you about six schools, six institutions you can apply for different vocational training, and I'll be telling you about the application procedure and when this will be open for application. So, guys, if you're interested in moving to Finland, then it is for me and you. This is the time for you to give me your attention. So I will go through this one after the other and get it sorted. So, guys, I'm gonna be telling you about six vocational schools where you can apply free of cost. Yeah, I mean, where you can apply without spending any amount, and also you don't need to pay school fees for 1 year of study. Yeah, the first one I want to talk about is Business College Helsinki. Yeah, I'm talking about business. I decided to start with Business College Helsinki because this application for Business College Helsinki opened today on the 21st of March to 30th of April 2024. This is the time you have for this application. So, guys, if you're able to apply today or tomorrow, it means that you are going to be one of the first who applied for this program for this year 2024. So it gives you a great opportunity to be selected. So that's why I decided to speak about it today, to ensure that this information comes to you as one of the first guys who will get it and do make use of it. Well, guys, Business College Helsinki is open for application. So the area where they are going to be training you is either in business, you can do a vocational qualification in business, or you can do a full stack web development. So if you're interested to become a full stack web developer, then you can hit it up. If you want to have a qualification in business, you can hit it up. Application starts today. Just click here and apply. But meanwhile, you can go through each of the courses to see what they've got for these courses. So you can see qualification in business is a 1.5 year full time day study. Okay, and the language is English language. Okay, and it's gonna start from August, but the application starts right now. Okay, that is it. I don't want to dwell much on this. You can read up this stuff, so I don't want this video to be long. If you're interested, you hit up the application button and apply us, and you can see how to get the application rolling. Okay, how to apply to vocational qualification in business, and also how to apply for full stack web development program. So both of them are open for today for application. So, guys, try it out now. The next school I want to talk about is Rivaria. Rivaria is another school I want to talk about. I've also decided to talk about Rivaria because they have some courses that have just started, that are open up for what's it called for application right now. So you can see they've got vocational qualification in cleaning and property service, vocational qualification in food preparation, vocational qualification in restaurant and catering services, vocational qualification in social and healthcare. This is actually a big fish. Social and healthcare is selling a lot. I mean, you can work in Finland or elsewhere in the world. Well, these are the courses and where you can apply. Some of them are open right now. Some of them are not open yet. Some of them maybe just application have just ended. So for cook, vocational qualification, restaurant and catering services open from 18th, which is just few days ago, and it's gonna run till 29th, which is few days to come. So, guys, this is time for you to apply, okay? And the local study are in English and it runs within 2 to 3 years. It's an undergraduate degree, okay? All right. The next one is site facility operative or housekeeper, vocational qualification in cleaning and property service. It's also run for 2 to 3 years. It's an undergraduate degree. So you can see all of them. And you can also get more information about the application season. You see, this one application is ending today for this very one. So if you're interested in this, then you can apply only today. But for this, you have up to 29th to apply. And yeah, some other are open, so you just hit them up and apply. So the next skill I want to talk about is Varria. Yeah, vocational qualification in restaurant and catering services. This is what they take, and you can check out if application is open or not, and you can hit up the application button. Okay, for this it is also free of cost to apply. If you want to get more information, you can write them by through email and they will give you information. Okay, yep, that is it. So these guys are running a course, okay, for you to be a chef. So you can see the duration of the study is determined by the personal skill development plan. Okay, it's usually 2.5 years to 3 years. Cost of study. Education in Vata Vocational College Varara is free of charge, and so is a daily lunch. And so is a daily lunch. So every day you study, you also have daily lunch. At the beginning, the students are required to purchase uniform, one of the kitchen, and one of the customer service are professional shoes, sets of knife, and study books. All the all this add up to approximately 550 euros. There is no need to buy anything before you start your studies. Applicants under 18 years of age who have completed comprehensive school in Finland are entitled to free learning materials. Okay? Yep, so that is it. So to apply, you hit up this application button and get this stuff rolling. So guys, I hope you give it a trial. The next skill I want to talk about is career area. Yeah, vocational qualification in business, in career area, you can get more details about it and you can also hit up the application. It is also free of cost. I want you to spend time to, to go through these things yourself and know how you can apply. You can see application period start from 6th of March and it's going to run to 12th of May. Okay, so you can still apply until May. Yeah, so that is it. So um, you've got opportunity to still apply for this program. And next I want to talk about is Famia. You can be a cook or a mechanic, mechanical fitter, planter or welder, specialist vocational qualification in the hotel and catering sector, waiter or waitress, and you can get more information about how to apply through this email. Don't worry, I'm going to drop all the links to this training colleges, vocational schools in the description section of this video. So just hit it up and get the application rolling. Okay, so you can apply by hitting up the link in this page. Okay, and the last I want to talk about is vocational Omnia. They do vocational qualification in different courses, which are done in English language, and you can just check it out. Yeah, they've got vocational qualification in business. They've got vocational qualification in cleaning and property service. They've got vocational qualification in information and communication technology, software developer. They've got vocational qualification in restaurant and catering services, restaurant cook. So these are all areas where they are training. Okay, so you can hit it up. I think application for this year is closed. This is why I took it last, but you can always keep in, this in the back of your mind so that you can check them out from time to time when application will be open up again. So guys, this is it. I've told you about 6 schools where you can study in Finland free of cost. and this is from application to your studies is all free. So if you want to move to Finland or you want to move to Europe, then this is a gateway for you. You can do the study and you can move to any other country of your choice. Well, living in Finland sometimes need you to be a Finnish speaker even up to native level. Otherwise, you find it difficult to integrate into the society. So after the study, if you don't want to be in Finland, you can move to Norway, you can move to Sweden, you can move to Denmark, Belgium, some other areas around the Scandinavia, or even Europe, or even to America and other places. With your certificate, you can easily find a job. So, guys, this is what I have for you today. This video takes a lot of effort, a lot of time, and it requires you to give us a small appreciation. That is just to hit up the like button, share this video with your colleagues, with your friends, with your network of people, and ensure that other people also become part of this beautiful community which we have established for ourselves. So, guys, I wish you the best of luck as you migrate, as you plan your migration journey, and I will continue to pray for you that God gives you an opportunity to get it done successfully. So, guys, this is what I'm gonna zip up for today. I say congratulations. I wish you the best of luck. I would like you to comment in the comment section where you're watching from and what your thought is about this video. Have a great day. Cheers.